Hey everybody, welcome back. It is Dusty with Copper State Roadschoolers. I was at NIRVC several weeks ago and I saw this Coachmen Freelander 21RSS, and I just thought it was the cutest little thing and that it was a pretty good deal, honestly, for a new Class C. It's on a Ford F350 chassis. It's got about 325 horses, about 450 pounds of torque. And it's not a bad little thing. You've got a little bunk above the driver's seats there. I felt like it was pretty roomy without that middle piece there. You've got your TV there. And as you turn around, you're going to see your dinette, which does fold down into another sleeping area. You've got your basin sink. You've got your Magic Chef microwave down here. And then up top, you're going to see your 3-burner gas stove range with your plastic cooktop. You've got some storage there above, and then you've got this little mini pantry here, which I thought was kind of cool and a good use of space. Keep all your cereal, your spices, and a couple canned goods. This isn't something you're gonna be doing long hauls in. You know, this is the kind of take your time and stop here and there for food kind of rig, or go out for a weekend with the family. I did like that this fridge was pretty big for a Class C of this size, so good size fridge. Then moving into the bedroom, we've got 2 windows, one where your headboard would be, and this is a slide out here, and it's a queen size bed. You do have a small nightstand there. I do like the second window. You don't see that a lot. And then you've got your hanging closet here for your shirts and stuff. And it's a decent size, you know, especially for like something like a little weekender kind of gig. Put all your jackets in there in case it gets some inclement weather. You have your drawer down there. Then you turn around and you step right into the bathroom. I was pretty impressed with this little bathroom for such a small Class C. This is one of the smallest Class Cs you can get, and they still found room for extra toiletry storage, little extra places to put your teepee, good size mirror and sink. I like the color of the finishes too, and the couple different options for hanging your shower head there. And I liked that they did have kind of a brushed nickel or stainless steel fixtures. You've got your towel racks there, which are not right above the sink. Then going back into the kitchen sink, I really liked this basin sink. I really did. And I feel like this color package was a really good deal. It currently had an MRSP of about $123,000 from Forest River, but as of the recording of this video, NIRVC has it listed online for $77,834. So just over $77,000 for a brand new 2026 Class C. I think it's a pretty good deal. If you found this helpful, subscribe.